Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Shadowban for YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are just going through this article that will just give us more information about how you can fix your Shadowban. So basically, as you can see, the short answer of the reason of why your shorts are shadow banned is probably that your shorts are violating YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies. And basically, now you can see that some reason, like posting content that violates YouTube guidelines, such as hate speech or harassment, etc., or using copyrighted materials or excessive use of spammy tactics like clickbait or some promotional content and many other things. So basically, the first thing would be is just to make sure that your content is very YouTube friendly. And then you can start engaging with your uh, audience by encouraging viewers to like, share, and comment. So the more the engagement, the more it seems that your content is reliable, etc. And after that, you can start updating your channel by refreshing your channel's profile picture so it cannot be static for a long time and that you are uh, active with your channel. And also you can start making some other efforts by adding tags and making your uh, content more appealing, etc. And of course, you need to start just avoiding repeated violation so your channel cannot be blacklisted or something from this kind. So you can also start contacting YouTube support if to make sure that your channel doesn't defy any YouTube guidelines or anything from this category, and basically that's it. So those are some tips for fighting or fixing shadow ban. Thank you for watching and see you next time.